Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson number 12. Be a smart child. Lesson number 12. Be a smart child. I hope you understand the last classes and I hope you follow the dustbin and wet and dry. We have to separate and we have to throw the wastage according to that. Okay, so today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, that is be a smart child. So be a smart child means we have to be a good child. So for that, what we have to do, how we should develop our good habits. Okay, so please open your book, page number 15 and lesson 12, be a smart child. See here, you spit on the road. So this boy, he spit on the road. That is not good, no? So he is not a smart child. So for that we have to crash it. So first one we have to do crash, because he is not a smart child. If it is a smart child, he should not spit on a road, but he spit. So for that we have to give crash. If he is in that case, if he did not spit, then we have to give tick. That is smart child, but he is not a smart child. So second one, you lie on your bed without taking off your shoes. So he come back from the school, but he did not remove his shoes. See, he is wearing his shoes. So without removing his shoes, he lay on his bed, but that is not good. So he is also is not a smart child. If it is smart child, we should remove our shoes and socks and we have to lay on the bed. But he is not doing that. He did that. He was wearing his shoes and he lay on the bed. So for that we have to give crash. So he is also is not a smart child. And third one, you write on the walls. So he is also, if you want to write, you have to write your notebooks or your textbooks or on your blackboard, but not on the wall. It is not a good habit and it is not a showing as a smart child. If it is your smart child, you have to write your notebook or your textbook or your blackboard. But here he is writing on the wall, so he is not a smart child. But you people are very good. You are writing only in your textbook or in your notebook, so you are smart child. But he is not a smart child. So for that we have to give crash. And next one is, so she's, you throw wrappers in the bin. So after eating her snacks, she throw the papers on the dustbin. So she throw the papers in the dustbin. So she is a smart child. She is not throwing here and there. After eating, after finish her snacks, she throw in a dustbin. So she is a smart child. Very good. For that we have to give tick. Okay, she is a smart child. She is acting as a smart. So the next one is, you pluck flowers and leaves. So he is telling that to his friend, you have to pluck only flowers on the planet, not the leaves also. But she is plucking flowers with the leaves. That is not good. That is not a smart work. So for that we have to give crash. So we have to pluck only flowers on the flower plants, not with the leaves. So if she did, well, if she pluck only flowers on the flower plant, that is good, that is a smart child. For that we have to give grass, but she used to pluck flower with the leaves, for that we have to give grass. So you put your hands out of the bus window. So while you are traveling in the bus or auto or car, okay, so we should not show our hands or head on a window, that is not good. So but she is showing her hands out of the bus window, so for that she is not a smart child. If it is a smart child means she have to sit quietly in the bus, but she is not sitting in the bus quietly, she is showing her hands through the window and she is watching outside what is happening. So for that we have to put grass. She is not a smart child, okay. And here you sit too close to the television. So same thing happened to you also. While watching TV, you like to watch cartoons or whatever. So if you want to watch the television, you should not sit close to the television and watching, then it will affect our eyes, that is not good. So you have to sit away from the television and watch the TV. So but he is sitting close to the TV, but he is not a smart child. If it is a smart child means we have to sit away from the television and we have to watch the television, that is a smart work. So again 7th one also we have to grass. And here 9th, you do not throw your towel here and there after taking a bath. Yes, after taking bath, as your small kids, your dad or your mom used to give to you bath. So now it no problem. So when will you become big? When will you study in 4th standard or 5th standard? So you have to take bath yourself. So that time in the future, after taking bath, your towel you should keep it in a particular place. You should not throw here and on the bed or on the floor, okay. Either you have to keep it in a particular place or you have to give to your mom, that is a smart work. But here see, he is not, he is taking bath and he is hand over his towel on the ankle. So he is a good boy, he is a smart child. For that we have to give tick, okay. So instead of this, if he throw his towel here and there, then we have to give grass. So for the smart child we have to give tick, for unsmart child we have to give grass. So here remember children, you should not throw plastic on the road. So whatever, not only plastic, all the wastage we should keep in a particular dustbin, okay. We should not throw anything on the road, it is not good. So it may cause someone to fall, yes. So for example, if you are eating banana, so the banana skin you throw on the road. So if anybody comes on the vehicles or bicycle or by walk, if they keep on that, they will fall down, so they will get injured. So that is not good. For that, according to the whatever, not only plastic, not only banana skin, so any type of wastage we have to keep in a particular dustbin. We should not throw here and there. So for that we have to follow the proper dustbin and we have to throw it. So that is the smart work. But here someone is throwing wastage on the road. See here, the small case is falling down. So it is not good. Yes, my dear children, now we know who is the smart child and who is not a smart child. So listen, if it is a smart child, if you do good things, that is your considered as a smart child. So if you do good things, everyone likes you and you become a smart child. So if you do good things, automatically everyone is like you. So for that we have to give tick. So if you are not good, if you are not doing good habits, if you are not doing good things, so no one is not like you and you will not a smart child. Then for that we have to give cross. Once again we will see. So the first one is he got a cross because he is not a smart child, he is not doing good things. So for that he got a cross. And second one also, he is not removing his shoes and he is laying on the bed. That is not a good, that is not a smart work. So for that he got cross. And that third one also, he write on the walls. So it looks ugly if someone come to your house. So that is not also good. For that he also got cross. And but she is doing good thing. After eating her snacks, she put wastage in a dustbin. She is a good, she is following a good habits. So for that we have to give tick. And here she is plucking flower. Not only flower, with the leaves she is plucking, but that is not a good. For that she is also got cross. And here one girl, she is traveling in the bus, but in the bus she is not sitting quietly, she is watching outside and she is showing her hands through the window. So for that she got cross. Here one child, he is sitting close to the television and he watching. So it will affect our eyes, we should not watch like that. For that he got cross. So far only one girl, she got a tick. So that means she is doing only good, she is a good girl, all are like her, that's why she got a tick. So thank you dear children. So like her, you also have to do a good things and you have to develop your good habits and you should be a smart child. Thank you and have a nice day.